Want to turn your content into a money-making machine? First, head over to Copy.AI and log into your account if you don't have one. Sign up, it's super easy and unlocks a world of AI-powered content creation. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon or settings menu. It's usually in the top right corner. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, find and click on Affiliate Program. This will take you to Copy.AI's Affiliate Dashboard. On the Affiliate Dashboard, you'll find your unique affiliate link. This is the magic link you'll share to earn commissions. Copy that link. Now think about how you'll use that link. Create amazing content using Copy.AI, whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or even email newsletters. When you mention Copy.AI and your content, include your affiliate link. When someone clicks that link and signs up for Copy.AI, you earn a commission. Track your progress on the affiliate dashboard and watch your earnings grow. It's that simple. Now go forth and create, share, and earn. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips.